ఈరోజు కంటిన్యూగా 2 టైమ్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పటికి రికార్డింగ్ కట్ అవుతుంది. ఎందువల్ల తెలియట్లేదు. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ ద మార్కెట్ అట్ 9:50 ఓన్లీ, బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద థర్డ్ టైమ్ టు intermittently abnormally cut the recording software. Yes, so that in middle again I had to start. At least, sorry to this recording session it closed. Again I started. If you are online, just come and send that screenshot to me, then I will check it out and let you know what mistake you made. Don't take me that wantedly I am closing the recording. Some abnormal termination happened. Actually, I took that recording with licensed only, but even though it happened, okay, leave it. And again I am telling what I told it with the previous recorded, which I have lost. Again today also I kept only 200 quantity. I yesterday told you, right? Market is volatile, so we can't predict. That's the reason today also I took only 200 quantity. Maybe next week I will change to at least 500 quantity, or based on the market I will decide. Actually today also 30 points means 6,000 is my target is reached. I need to give, but the recording continuously abnormal terminated, so that's the reason I just want to continue this recording at least 5 minutes to show you what happened today. Yesterday Apollo Tyre giving us I think $3,000, but yesterday Apollo Tyre we are in buying side. Yesterday we are in buying side, and yesterday Sensex today is Nifty 38 point high, and Sensex is 200 points high. Yes, Nifty future also 40 points high. Yeah, market is going up. Market is going up. Today is vice versa to the yesterday's. Yesterday, Nifty and Sensex is in low, in minus way, but yesterday I am doing in buy side. Okay, Apollo Tyre is giving a high score to today 1800. Yesterday Apollo Tyre we are in I think it's selling. I think buying side yesterday. Sorry, yesterday we are in buying side Apollo Tyre. It's giving 3,500 or something else. Today I am in selling side for Apollo Tyre. So many people think how they are thinking. Suppose if you take that Apollo Tyre yesterday it's going very high, so today also better to go for buying side. If they are going buy side, definitely they will lose. That's what we need to predict the market. Today I am at sell side for Apollo. Means today how many points it's giving? 8 points. Yes, that's what we need to conclusion. Yes, yes. No, no. SBI, you can take easily. Today is for last 3 days is it raise 100 point above 100 points, 130 to 140 points it will raise. Present it is the master of the market. SBI is, yeah. Day before yesterday I told you guys, if anyone have money, without hesitating, without thinking, just keep your money on SBI. I don't know how many people are taking that SBI position, but day before yesterday, today, among 3 days, it will increase minimum 84 points. Okay. Actually, guys, sorry, today I don't want to be on online, because continuously this recording session is will close, then automatically my Sharekhan account also will be closed, so better to avoid to recording. I think my Windows is not a licensed version, it's open. Due to that, the license may be expired of my Windows OS. Today, nearly approximately my investment is I think 43 to 45,000 approximately. So we can figure it out to 50k. Mm. Jindal Steel. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, Jindal Steel is good. What's the time now? 1 minute. Let me check my time once because today's server issues I think happen. Time and date. Time and date. 9:59, 30 seconds is February 5th. February 5th. 9 hours 59 minutes 44 seconds. Here 9 hours February 59 seconds. So that we can go. 1 second. Okay. So time is correct means server is working good. It's no problem. I thought server is having some issues. That's the reason it would have. Okay. Nifty is increasing 60. Sensex is for 273. Okay. Chatterjee asking about Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel is a resistance level and supporting level you need to check once. I think you are taking some little bit variation values, so better check once. Chatanji, not Chatterjee. Chatanji, just check yourself. Because supporting levels is near to the perfect, but resistance level need to check. Nifty is for 60 above, and Sensex is 270. Once I am refreshing the page. Yeah, at any time I will respond. You just WhatsApp me on this number. How you are sending the WhatsApp messages right now? For this number, you can send at any time. I will give you reply. Immediately, I may not reply you, but at any time, at what time I am free, I will respond you. Better, I just want to close the market here because here some fluctuations happened in this system. Because I have to manage 5 accounts here. So if this is giving intermittently giving problems, so I can't observe the remaining 4 accounts. So better, I just want to close here, guys. Thank you.